Hello everyone. Hi, this is Wealth. How you guys? Okay, so today I'm gonna make some Birria Ramen Noodles, and it's gonna be so delicious. I saw this on TikTok, you guys, and I just have to try it. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that you're gonna need. Okay, and I found these noodles. Look at that, you guys. I found some Birria noodles. Look at that. I couldn't believe when I found those. So that was a good find. Okay, so those are the birria noodles. And then I have some birria beef that I made homemade, which I have yet to put it on my show yet, but it's coming, okay? So, and you're going to need a lime and an onion and some cilantro. And these are all the ingredients that you're going to need for this delicious recipe. And it's really quick, so I just got home from work and I've been craving this all day. Okay, so first, you guys, I'm going to get a little pot and put some oil in it, and I'm going to cook my onions. Okay, I want to have a little crunch from the onions, and it's going to be so good in these noodles. Birria noodles, you guys. The Roman noodles, okay? So I'm just cooking the onions right here. And I'm just going to saute those a little bit with some oil. And that would be it. It's really quick, so that's all I'm doing there, you guys. All right? Okay, so now right here, all I'm doing is getting my homemade birria beef that I made, you guys. And I'm just going to heat it up. Okay? I had it in a container and it was in the freezer. So I'm just heating that up. And this is going to be what we use for the noodles, you guys. Okay? So that's all I'm doing here, just heating this up. Nothing new, just heating this up, okay? So hold on. Okay, so now I'm grabbing the Birria Ramen Noodles, you guys, and I'm gonna cook those, okay? We all know how to make noodles, so this is nothing new to anyone. I'm sure everyone has a pack of noodles in their house somewhere. So we're just gonna cook these noodles, okay? And you know, you guys, I don't like plain old noodles without adding something to them. So whenever I eat noodles, I have to add something to them, you guys. So today it's gonna be the Birria Ramen Noodles. So this is gonna be so delicious. And whenever you see me making noodles on my channel, I will be adding something to those noodles because I can't just eat them directly out of the package. But anyhow, this delicious recipe is going to be so good. And you guys, I found this recipe on TikTok. Yes. Okay, so you're just going to let the noodles cook to your liking. Everyone likes their noodles different, okay? So when your noodles are ready, come on, catch up with me. Okay, guys, so the noodles are ready. So I'm going to add them to my bowl. And sorry about the steam. I just want to add them back to the bowl that they came out of, you guys. I normally use my bowls. But for this video, I wanted to use the bowl that the noodles came out of. Just to give it that effect that I wanted to have for my visual. Okay, so now you guys, we're just gonna add everything. I'm putting my onions because I'm done cooking the onions also. So I'm gonna add everything to the bowl. And we're gonna have some delicious Birria Ramen Noodles. Okay guys, so right here I'm gonna chop up my cilantro. That's all I'm doing right here, okay? Okay, so what I'm doing here is just checking, making sure that I have everything set up so that we can make this delicious recipes. That's all I'm doing right here, you guys, okay? So I'm gonna add some of the noodle broth in the bowl. Okay. Push that back so you guys can see it better. Then I'm gonna add some of the Birria beef meat. Okay. So I'm just gonna add that to the bowl. You can add as much or as little as you want, you guys. I like a lot. Okay. I know I'm not gonna eat this whole bowl, but this is just for you guys. I have to share this bowl with my daughter. Okay, so now we're gonna add some onions. Okay. The onions give it a nice little texture, just a little crunch from the onions, you guys. Is so delicious. And then you're gonna need your cilantro. I know if some people don't like cilantro, but I love me some cilantro. Okay, so that's it, you guys. I added everything in the bowl, and I'm just like stirring it all up together. Mix the ingredients together, you guys. Don't that look delicious? It looks so delicious. Looks so good. It's gonna taste even better. Yes, so I got the little pack with the little seasoning in it, but not the one with the salty seasoning. I didn't use that one. I used the other one. I don't know what that was, but I added that to the bowl that came with the noodles. Okay, and I'm just stirring everything together. And that's all I'm doing, you guys. Just stirring and adding as to my liking. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit more of the meat. It's gonna be so good. Oh my God, so good. And my meat, I have the sauce in there also, you guys. Also, sorry guys. So now I'm gonna add some more cilantro, and then I added, I dropped the lime. But I squeezed some lime on top of this also, you guys. That lime gives it an extra kick, and it's so good. You gotta try this. So I squeezed a lot of lime in mine. But you guys can squeeze as much as you want in yours, but I like a lot. Okay. And then I just stirred that together also, you guys. Make this so delicious. Look at that. Ooh, you can't tell me that don't look good. You lying. It looks good. This is a delicious fast meal you can make, you guys. All right. So there you have it. You have a delicious Birria Ramen Noodles. So delicious. And there you have it. You have some delicious Birria Ramen Noodles. It's so delicious, you guys. You got to try this. And even if you don't find these exact noodles that I have, just get whatever noodles you want, you guys. And then add all the other ingredients to it. And it's going to be just as good, okay? So look at that. There you have it. Okay, you guys. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. Okay? Don't be shy. Okay, you guys. All right, you guys. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And stay tuned for some great recipes coming. And check out all the rest of my recipes on the show. Also, you guys, check out my playlist. I have everything organized. So whatever recipe you're looking for, they're organized in all the different categories, okay? So check me out. I'm sure you can find something that you can cook at home. Okay, so come cook with me. All right, you guys. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Okay? Thank you, and have a great day.